Simply Lettering, issue number 4. This magazine is here right now from our friends at Practical Publishing over in England. And what's wonderful about all of their publications is you get some special treats. This time you're getting metallic pens, both gold and silver. There's a bold nib at one end and there's a flexible brush at the other end. Very, very nice. In addition, there is this insert, and what I love about this is that it gives you places to practice, to duplicate the lettering that's shown in the magazine. So you can see these are on gray tone so that you can just copy right over. There are extra spaces where you can do your own and even more. The other part of it is that it has these in gray, same idea, that you can use as a template to create the images and the projects that are shown in the magazine. I love the fact that that is part of the deal. Now, these are representing photographs. You're going to see in the magazine ways that you can do handwriting, calligraphy onto photos, and these are some just for you. Here are more words and phrases that are shown in the magazine, and very, very nice. It's wonderful to have that as a template. And let's go into the magazine and see what's inside this issue. And you're always going to start with basics. And that's really nice. It's in every issue, slightly different in each issue, but it's really helpful to have. And we're going to go to Enjoy Every Moment. You can see that this is multiple colors. No, it's not gold and silver, but again, you have other pens and it's a way to use them, and that great big one is in the supplement that's included. So that's nice to know. Aha! Here's the marvelous metallics. You are capable of amazing things. What a wonderful phrase to have. And you can do this on black cardstock. Will work very nicely. Now we have the darkest nights produce the brightest stars. This is their idea of doing some lettering onto photographs. And of course you saw those 2 photographs. There is the other one with the sunset. Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn. Just really, really pretty. And here is, if you want to use your lettering in journals or planners, here's some ideas of how one designer does that in hers. And here is for a wedding or a reception or a party. So we've got a big welcome, and then we've got the date, and we've got more. Let me see. Okay, here is kind of up close and personal. This is about a designer. Her name is Lou, and where she has a working letterpress studio. So that's fun to see. This is lettering in shapes. Can you see the mother and child? That's an interesting technique. Always my mother, forever my friend. Really nice. And showing you step by step how to execute that. And here we have another interview. Paul Antonio, I met him at one of the trade shows for the craft industry. A very gentle, very skilled, very supportive man. He was really, really sweet, giving you some information about how best to do your lettering. That was nice. And here we've got more quotes. You still live in the silences between my thoughts. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love the fact that we're getting some other quotes, kind of not the same ones that you see everywhere else. We are all made of stardust. I love that. And beautifully executed. Here is a diary. And Helen is walking us through how she does her diary and really keeps it as an ongoing journal. So that's nice to see. Always nice to see how other people do things. Stippling effects, that's tons and tons of dots. And that's fun to see. A great big hello in multiple colors. Here it is just in gold, and you can use your new pens for that. And then we have a black and white, so really striking not only the calligraphy but also the graphics, and that's nice to have. And again, you can apply that other places. Here's Hopes and Dreams, and this is how another artist uses her planners. and that's good to know. And finally, now these are just the ones that I'm highlighting. We've got Twitcher Writes. So this is another of the designers and how she does her doodling and her handwriting. So all of this is just jam-packed in Simply Lettering number 4. Don't forget, you're going to get those metallic pens, always something special included. And I'm happy to say that these are exclusively at paperwishes.com.